holiday season is a key time for U.S. retailers and consumer brands, with many businesses earning 25% of their annual revenue in November and December alone. Personalized marketing content tailored to the needs, interests, and preferences of individual consumers is widely recognized as an effective way to cut through the noise and grab shoppers' attention. For our holiday campaign, we are leveraging GenAI to create personalized content at scale. Here we can see that as we render the email against different customer records with different preferences, they are presented with an entirely different experience. In this demo, we will explore how we are leveraging Amperity's unified profiles, generative AI on Databricks, and Braze to power these personalized experiences. To achieve this, we start with Amperity's unified customer profiles. These profiles consolidate all interactions, transactions, and engagements into a single view. Here we see one of our customers, Alex Polson. In Amperity, we see a rich profile of Alex, including product affinity and preferred price point. We know exactly how Alex interacts with our brand, which helps us provide a more relevant experience for her. Her data comes from multiple systems, including POS, loyalty, and e-commerce. Despite differences like email variations, name changes, or multiple addresses, Amperity's patented AI-powered identity resolution unifies her data into one profile. This approach moves beyond traditional deterministic or fuzzy matching, which can miss crucial connections. Amperity's transparent AI models identify relationships between data points, even with incomplete or inconsistent information. Amperity's glass-box approach gives brand a view into all raw source customer profile data, mapped to a consistent schema and with a common universal identifier. Amperity is the only customer data platform that does this, giving brands visibility into how we determine matches between records before merging them, allowing brands to feel confident in the unified customer profiles they're using. Now that we have a rich unified profile of our customers, we're going to create a segment of these customers to activate to Braze. Since our email is a gift guide, we've created a segment of shoppers who are engaged with our brand as opposed to lapsed. Here we have a segment of holiday shoppers using criteria like past holiday purchase and frequent spending patterns. Once we create the engaged customers segment, we can leverage Amperity's segment insights to learn a bit more about these current customers. We see insights into audience behavior, such as revenue contributions and loyalty program participation. All of these data points help you evolve from just building audiences to understanding them. After defining the audience, activation is seamless. With just a few clicks, we configured this holiday campaign to target our segment in Braze. Before diving into Braze, we leverage Databricks to generate AI-powered content for the campaign. Databricks seamlessly integrates with Amperity, using high-quality, unified data to train and deploy models efficiently. Amperity's Delta sharing integration with Databricks makes it easy to read data from Amperity in Databricks, enabling collaboration across business and technical teams. In our example, we used Amperity's curated customer dimensions of product subcategory and price point preference to create personalized message copy. Here we can see the different variations of email copy based on customer subcategory and price preferences. Braze imports the content generated in Databricks via cloud data ingestion, a real-time connection directly to the source table. This data will appear in Braze as a catalog or an in-dashboard table. Catalogs help teams easily create conditional logic that will dynamically render content based on each customer's profile data. In this case, we're using product subcategory and price point. Braze uses liquid logic to create dynamic content. This includes referencing catalog data, including information directly from a user profile, or pulling information at time of send via API. AI permeates every part of this data flow and personalized message. From identity reconciliation in Amperity to generating copy with AI in Databricks to AI-created images in Braze, it's easier than ever to create personalized calls to action that build the relationship between your brand and your customers. In 2025, customer engagement doesn't stop when the message is sent. With just a few clicks, you can create multiple variants of your message to A/B test strategies. Braze's Intelligence Suite will optimize your test based on the winning variant, which message is driving more conversions, or on a personalized basis by sending similar variants to lookalike customers. Braze AI can help your teams perfect new strategies. In addition to testing optimizations, in-dashboard predictive models help you anticipate which customers are likely to churn or take high-value actions. With that, we've looked at how the partnership between Amperity, Braze, and Databricks makes it easier than ever to launch sophisticated data strategies. This is just an example of the power of a composable solution with Amperity, Braze, and Databricks. If you're interested in exploring how you can build a similar solution, read our blog with a link to the Databricks notebook for more details or reach out.